So to first transform Gus's logo into a 3D design, I was originally going to use Blender. Then I realized I was short for time and that my friend was an unemployed engineer, so I cheated a little bit. Now we get to the actual 3D printing. For this project, I will be printing the model into 2 halves, which will then be glued together. Now that the halves are glued together, I need to fill in the crack between the 2 halves. For this, I'm just going to use generic wood filler. Now that the crack is filled, I'm going to spray the model with a primer. Now that it's primed, you can see that the layer lines and the crack is still pretty visible. To take care of this, I'm going to sand the primer off where the lines are most visible. Ideally, this step would be repeated. However, I needed to catch Gus's show, so I could only do this once. After this step, it's time to paint it. After painting it, the final result looked like this. Now that it's done, it was time to deliver it to Gus.
So, brother and I are on the metro. Deliver this to Gus Johnson. It's gonna be real good. You excited?
I'm very excited.
Me too.
For obvious reasons, we were not allowed to record inside the show, but afterwards, we did get to catch up with Gus.
Gus, great show. Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. Great printing the logo. Holy shit, dude. Thank you so much.
So we finally gave it to him, and I think he liked it. I mean, look at that face. Look at that face. Anyhow, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any ideas for what I should 3D print next, let me know in the comments. Please go subscribe to Gus Johnson. His videos are hilarious, and if you want to support the channel, hit the subscribe button. Thanks, I'm out.